There's an old Arabic saying that states, "Choose your companion first, before choosing your path." We want to be your companion for every situation and every path. Our journey begins in 1896 in Stuttgart, where Gottlieb Daimler invents the future of truck-based transportation. The world's first truck boasts 4 HP and is able to move 1.5 tons. Daimler's customers come to trust his products. In 1926, Daimler joins forces with his most successful competitor, Carl Benz, thereby laying the foundation for a global success story. Trucks making history with their unrivaled quality leave the production plants from Germany to destinations all over the world, including the Middle East. In 2015, the first regional centre for Daimler commercial vehicles is opened in Dubai, with more than 70 employees coming from 19 countries. Together, with our dense network of general distributors, we do our best every day to secure our customers' trust and serve them as partners on a long, shared journey. Heat, dust, and the toughest conditions for man and machine. The Actros stands for impressive performance and maximum reliability no matter what. Its robust components and technology are perfectly suited to our region. The intelligent automated power shift transmission makes things easier for the driver, reduces wear and tear, and enhances vehicle safety. Crucial arguments facilitating the Actros's durability and efficiency, particularly important for big fleets of up to 1,000 vehicles or more. The Actros, the truck to trust. Vehicles with more than 1 million kilometers on the clock are nothing unusual for us, and our trucks often enjoy a lengthy second life after being sold. For us, partnership means being close to you and serving your needs. With our dense network of sales and service facilities across the region, we ensure being where you need us, whenever you need us, providing you with customer services and spare parts promptly and in the quality that you expect from us. The region's roads are often rocky, long and tough, which is just right for the Actros and for us. We are here as your trusty companion whenever you need us, down whatever path you may travel.